Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, Kobe here, and today, finally, I got the Pamu Slide Wireless Earphone. My contribution date was on 16th of July, and now it's the 30th of August, and my contribution ID was 79,110. I read a lot of bad comments, bad reviews about this product and about some kind of a faulty, and now I'm a bit skeptical, but I'm so curious and it's time to reveal. Okay, so here's the package what I got. Just quickly open, see what's inside. Boom. Okay, so this box was inside. There we go, Pamu Slide. Qualcomm, that's the box. Just a quick open. There's a magnetic clip. For the first use, put the earphones into the seat and fully charge the charging case. Take out the left and right earphones from the charging case and open the Bluetooth Search Pamu Slide. Click to connect. There we go. I've ordered in white color. Ooh. This box feels very smooth. Two small wireless earbuds here. A couple more tips, different sizes. A cable. Small plus, M plus, large plus. Okay. I guess I have to charge it first completely before I start using it. This one's the right. It's right. Look. Now I think it's in pairing mode. It's blinking. It's charging now. Okay, it says Pamu Slide down here. Try to connect. Just take this out. Okay, so this one is the right ear, but it's connected now. Just listen. This one is the left one. First impressions are very good about this. Put this in here, fully charged, ready to go.
2 days later.
Okay, in the last couple of days I had a chance to try this and test this properly, and I just want to upload this video as soon as I can just to keep you updated, guys. And now I'm gonna collect my first impressions, my thoughts, my ideas about this product, the good and the bad things as well. It's been a month and it's been sent to me, and it's arrived fully charged, and after a couple of times in the gym it's still fully charged, so the battery life should be alright. Came in this box. In the user's manual it says 10 hours battery life, so it should be alright. It's very easy to connect to your phone once it's been connected. Just start the music, get the earphone, open this up, take them out, wait a few seconds, and now it's connected. Once you've finished, just open this up, put the earbuds back with the magnet, lock it up, ready to go. Doesn't fall out. Sounds very good. The bass is amazing, and you can pause the music with a touch, or you can skip the song. Ooh. On the bad side, there's the price. I got this. I'm just testing the durability. On the bad side is the price. I got this for $59 US and extra shipping, but you know, for someone it's expensive, for someone it's not expensive. But compared to the AirPods, it's a lot cheaper. When I got this, it was 7 days left, and after 7 days, it was 7 days left, and then 7 days left, 7 days later, 7 days left. So hurry up, guys, 7 days left. Moving on with the bad things. This case is not the most compact case ever, but the slide move is very good. The magnet holds the earphones very tight in the grip, and it gives you a lot of juice, but it takes a lot of room for your pocket, so I wouldn't carry it if I wouldn't have a bag with me. And it takes a very long time to get this from Indiegogo, from China, with the delivery, with the custom clearance. It's just way too much. And what if you have a problem, a faulty? You have to text the company, wait for the reply. There were 70,000 backers, nearly 80,000, that's a lot of messages. And you might have to send some evidence, wait for the reply, more and more time, and at the end, you might get a refund, or you might won't get a refund, or a replacement, or anything. So you have to consider this. In the gym I use this with my watch, I put some music on it, connect it to my earphones, whoo baby, so good! By the way, I'm still testing the Garmin Forerunner 245, reviews coming. But that was it for me today guys, thanks for watching, thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming optimal review.
On the back side, there's the price. I got this